Creating engaging social media captions with AI is easier than you think. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to craft captions that grab attention, drive engagement, and make your posts stand out. First, let's talk about why AI can make a real difference in your caption game. Writing captions that truly resonate with your audience can be time-consuming and often challenging. That's where AI comes in. It can speed up the process and, more importantly, help you create content that speaks directly to your followers in a tone that matches your brand. You've probably heard of the most popular AI tools for writing captions, but they often fall short of delivering the perfect message. After testing several options, I found that using the right software can make all the difference. I'll be showing you the software we'll be using today, which I highly recommend, and you can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, just for you, the viewers of my channel. Now, when you're creating captions, the first thing you need to do is decide on your goal. Are you trying to spark conversation, promote a product, or simply entertain? Once you know that, you can guide the AI to produce a caption that's aligned with your objective. For example, if you want to drive traffic to your website, you'll want the AI to focus on creating a call to action that urges your audience to click the link. Next, be sure to provide context to the software. Tell it what your brand tone is. Are you professional, casual, humorous, or inspirational? By specifying this, the AI can generate text that fits seamlessly with your brand's voice. This is where most people get stuck because they don't properly communicate their tone, but with the software we're using, it's simple to guide it. Another key factor is using relevant keywords. AI tools can help you incorporate trending or relevant hashtags or keywords that can improve the visibility of your posts. This will help your captions appear in the right searches, which means more eyes on your content. The software will analyze the keywords trending in your niche, making sure your caption stands out. Let's also talk about editing. While AI does a great job of drafting captions, it's always a good idea to make slight tweaks. Add some personality, maybe even a pun or an emoji, and check for clarity. This ensures the final result feels authentic while still being optimized by the AI. And don't forget to test. AI can help generate multiple versions of a caption, but it's important to A/B test your posts to see which resonates best with your audience. Try different versions and see which one gets the most engagement. This iterative process will make you more skilled at writing effective captions over time. The key takeaway here is that AI is a powerful tool to help you create engaging social media captions faster and with more precision. By knowing your goal, guiding the AI with your brand's tone, and using relevant keywords, you can consistently create captions that stand out and drive results. Before I go, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today. You'll find the link in the description below, so don't miss out if you want to follow along and start creating those high engagement captions. To quickly recap, decide your goal, guide the AI with tone, use trending keywords, make tweaks to add personality, and always test to see what works best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.